get heavy, me know. Plenty rain and fall, river overflow. But Isaiah 41 verse 10 remind we, just say no fear, me always by your side, you see. Grip the faith, no let it slide like a lion in a Zion. Stand up with pride, stand firm.